Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. BK Payday. Uthini baba?
Chiefs enemy of progress.
Yes.
I'm an enemy of progress. They know, right? They don't go anywhere.
Yeah.
The aim is to disturb Pirates to progress.
Yes. Did they succeed?
Obviously.
Yeah.
You can see never dlala or banyaka no disturb Pirates mentality.
Yes.
Emotionally they disturb us. Even me
Yeah.
support
Pirates enjoyable.
abayidirile
Yeah.
ani awubutsamaka kore abana ka mo Chiefs ne dlala ka on
Yeah.
ke enemy of progress ani awubutsamaka enemy of progress.
So why batlogela motho a tsamaya distance e kana kang a tlo etsa assist ka right mona wa Chiefs?
O bona mola court of God
Yes.
ke mistake all round re sa expect or Chiefs ka re tshwara ka mogolo.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah.
So we know mostly Pirates re na lo dlala di long ball di long run,
Yes.
then Chiefs mo le sort of God
Yes.
and they succeeded. After that ba dirile they parked the bus.
Ke bona mongwe o ya pere kare o bafana ka mola himpa ke re ke a sheba ka re ke Sundowns ka re ke friend of Kaizer Chiefs ke mango
Ke ka botsa referee o le man wena referee o le man wena referee o le Sandawana wena referee o le abogile Tom lono ba rekile abogile Tom ba mo rekile lono ke le Sandawana
ba re ke motho wa Pirates
ano ke le Sandawana wena referee o le Come on.
BK Payday o lla ka referee
Even though Arapumelelanga right Sundowns le draw.
Sundowns e tlo draw go Richards Bay
O ba yija bagana ba yija le kwa
a ba re ba gana ka mo
bona ngokara
in your dreams BK Payday no worry sorry in your dreams no
Bona.
ke le boga BK
o tsere ke ne
yeah
ke le mene referee a beng le Tom a bong le Tom o le mene o le Sandawana
Yeah.
ke mo ne ke le Sandawana
ke a dumela
ke le Sandawana a bong le Tom aye go re khapa e lo dira tsena ba lo montsha ka yellow card ba lo montsha yena
no thank you really boga BK